Hello fellow Evo technicians. I am the thief. The one who keeps taking your wonderful furnaces. Now I know you might be wondering. Why take our furnaces? Why do you sound like Albert? And why are there doors everywhere? The answers you seek are in the future. But today I have come to introduce everyone to a public furnace. You will all have to share. If I see anybody else with a furnace being used that isn't the public furnace, it will be stolen. It will be taken away. And then you'll never know the things I will do to it. For further questions, leave comments on this video.